Hello lovelies, welcome back to my cooking channel, Cooking with Debs. And on today's tutorial guys, I'm going to walk you through a client's order. Yes, over the weekend I got an order to make a pack of snail, peppered snail and crabs. Yes, and I thought I would show you the process of the shelling, cleaning with lime, rinsing out, and also preparing it. Yes, so guys, I got the order over the weekend and I felt, you know what, it would be super fantastic for me to show you guys how I arrived and achieved this lovely. So hit the notification button so you don't miss it. So the first thing I did was to remove the snail from the shell, and for me to do that I had to put my snail inside a pot and I poured hot water. You cover and allow for 5 minutes, so you can put this in the bowl or anything, any container, as long as the heat is there, even for a period of time. You notice that the water will become slimy like you're seeing now. So guys, I know I did a tutorial video on how to get rid of snail slime using Garri, and I thought, okay, I've not done a video on how I used to deshell. Usually when I buy the stuff from the market, I get the locals to take it out for me, but you know the stress I go through for you guys. So I actually went through the whole stress of telling them, you know what, I need my subscribers, my new subscribers, the returning subscribers, to actually know how I get these things done. So yes guys, so once you've allowed it for like 5 minutes, what you want to do is scoop it out. And you could actually, for it to cool off, or you want to use it, or you want to do it like that, if you can retain the heat in your hand. So you want to take that out, and then we're going to go right into the shelling process. So what you need is a stick, something pointy. It doesn't necessarily need to be a stick. You can use a spoke or whatever. All you want to do is actually get hold of the snail by choking it. Get hold of the snail, and then, so once you've gotten hold of the snail, all you want to do is twist your hand anti-clockwise. Yes, and it will come out effortlessly. Reason being that the hot water has actually killed the snail, so the snail is literally dead right now, so it's not attached to its shell. Do you understand? So you can actually take it out. So I repeated that process for every other thing, and once we've done with that, I am going to show you how I clean it, how you are supposed to clean it again. So now we've gotten all the snails out, and this is the shell. Yeah. So I'm going to quickly drain out the slime. Depends on you though, but I really don't want a lot of slime in my bowl, so I added it to the bowl and I added water to it. And now I'm going to take out that part, the coily part you saw. That part actually has the poo in it, so you don't want to eat that part. So I'm going to cut that part off quickly. You notice me doing that? Yes. So we're going to throw this away. You don't need it. This is what we actually need. You don't need what is at the bottom, is what is at the top that you need. The one at the bottom is the poo. So I am going to quickly cut my snail into 2 equal parts, because what you want to use is the juice extract. You're just going to pour that over the snail, and it's that easy. So I got this chopping board over the weekend. It's so cute guys. You can actually convert it into a bowl. That's what I'm using right now. So I've done that. So you squeeze the lime over the snail, and then you're going to use the snail lime to clean the snail. You notice like this works, lime has this acidic taste, like it balances out the taste, especially, and it's good for seafood. Not that it changes the taste of the snail still has its normal original taste. You notice how watery and how it was running in comparison to when I actually opened the pot and you saw the water I used to like heat up the snail. So once you've done the process, you're ready to go. Oh, let me show you guys again. Yes, this is it. So now I am just going to rinse the snail like twice. Yeah, rinse like this. That's easy guys. So once you're done, you're ready to cook. So now this is a point where you want to give the video a thumbs up, you want to hit the notification button. That notification button is really important, because the next tutorial video is actually that client's order. Yes, I give out my recipe, because the goal of this channel is to ensure that everybody knows how to make food. Yes, because at the point, if you can't order from the restaurant, like when we had quarantine, and assuming you don't know how to make anything, you could actually just look this up and look for what to make. So I love giving out recipe, because people gave me their recipe, my mom gave me her recipe, and it's just amazing if we all have the basic skills in life. We all do a 9 to 5, but then we need to know how to make food. So until next time guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Bye guys.